and stress test all the endpoints there, and then you can potentially contribute to Amazon or the Ring software. Mhm. Oh, that's your pet project if you decide to go there. So tell me more about like what's going on here, because you have the UI, you have Qt, the UI for that, you have Python. You're okay. You're interacting with the Ollama. I think honestly, from what it seems like to me, is Ollama is a CLI tool that hosts the registries of it hosts the registries of different models that are out there. What? No, no, that's not true. I'm just saying that that statement overall is not true. Not every server has a CLI. Not every tool out there has a CLI. Just all the ones you use. No, no, that they do not. No, no. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. There's a lot of things out there that do not have CLIs to them. No, it's not. Okay. So before Java and .NET were not big on CLIs. It was very limited. You'd have to use the GUI to do a lot of the things. They did not. They did not. They did not specifically have robust CLI tools to interact with like .NET and Java, right? That's what I. Well, that's usually what people mean by like CLIs. Like, let me. I'm sharing my screen right now. Now it can. It didn't used to always be like that. Yeah, it was definitely C++ and C, but I don't remember it being in Java. But let's say even if it was, it's not. CLI tools are not like everywhere. Not everything. Somebody has to build the CLI tools in order for it to exist, right? For whatever platform you're on. And I'm just saying, Ollama seems like it has a CLI tool interface, which is what you showed. That's one of the things that they're offering you, right? So you have all these CLI tools for Ollama that you can interact with the registries and do some things with it. That's all I'm saying there, really. I'm trying to figure out what else Ollama offers. Yeah, yeah. So, like in your Python here, is there any Ollama packages that you're necessarily doing? Okay, so it really is like a almost npm, right? So npm is like the registry for all the JavaScript stuff. So that's really all it is. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Mhm. Mhm. Pretty much the same thing as like the browser stuff, right? Well, right, like if you do a network call, right? If you don't do it asynchronously, it's gonna lock up your browser. That's why we have async everywhere in browsers. But it should freeze your browser if you're doing a network request and it's not asynchronous. You shouldn't be able to click anything on your browser. The same issue, the exact same issue you're having on um your UI here would be the same issue if you're not doing async on the browsers for network calls. The difference there is that async in the browser is not a different thread. Here you're doing a different thread. Oh, yeah. So you didn't really need to do a. I mean, yeah, you didn't really need to do like a Python client side stuff here, right? You could have did a web app. Yeah, but yeah, you just wanted to learn the Python UI stuff potentially, right? Hmm. You don't like what? The UI? Yeah, that's a problem. That's a problem with doing web dev for 10 years though. Like I'm so used to markup for the client side that I don't even know how like I would approach UI without markup syntax. Because if you're, I assume like unless you're really into like the actual like rendering portion, like I guess how like the GPU really is doing stuff. Um, a lot of that, the markup is just abstracting a lot of that that's going on underneath. Oh, hmm. Hmm. Oh no, yes, stream or recording ended. Part two. I was in part two. Um, so I was downloading. I'm installing the Ollama CLI stuff because okay. So I guess for my use case for my web app for Ollama would be to create models based off of each studio's like chat, each studio's data essentially. So their chats, how much revenue is coming in for them, their stores, stuff like that. So they would have a model for each studio, each of your studios, and then you have a chat bot that you can chat and gather information from it seamlessly from your studio, almost like your your personal assistant. I guess so. So like so like let's say I have chat. Let's say I have a studio. I've been live streaming for like a year or so, and I have so many chats that went on for so long, and I would like Ollama to remind me of this conversation I had with somebody about, let's say, these really cool socks that we were talking about, something like that. Ollama then spits back out, hey, yeah, you had this conversation about this, and here you go, right? And then even tell you links, something like that, something that can like aggregate all the data and have a conversation about your data that's in this app, because this app has, again, yeah, so Yeah, so I guess so the chat data is in like documents in Firebase, right? That's where the source of truth data is in. Does the model need to continuously retrain itself with that data, or is that model reaching out to that data and then spitting it back out to you? Right, right. But, nothing to do with Angular. This data, this chat data, this year's worth of chat data is in a database somewhere. Right now, right now, nothing. Let's say it's in there. It's somewhere in a database somewhere. How? Okay, okay. So what does so what would the model do for me? Can let's say I can. So does the model need to recompile every time we feed it? Does it need to recompile every time new chat information is out there? So let's say, yeah, okay, yeah. Okay, so essentially, I'd have some process or server that's out there that runs, let's say, every midnight or something like that, that takes all the new data from all the studios and kind of feeds it back into the model. Oh yeah, I'm just trying to think about the architecture of how you would achieve it, right? Right, because that's what you would want is instantaneous chat ability with this AI in the studio that can just know your data um, offhand all the time offhand. So you need to uh, something that's out there that's a job that's running out there that's continuously retraining itself with the new information from your studio. Hmm.
Retrain it.
Hmm. Well, I thought is that not what training is? Right? As soon as you get more information, you're retraining our model so it knows what to respond with. Is that not how it works, or no?
Hold on. I think it's just going to be a waste. Ooh, slow. It's going to be a waste of resources if you have to retrain it on continuous data from a chat that's going to be exponentially large when you, let's say, have 10,000 users consecutively being chatting. So what you would do is, hey, where is my subject in that chat? Then you can get Angular, Python, C++, C Sharp, whatever, to grab the chat data, convert it into CSV or something simple for it text-wise. It's really just text. It's not even encryption. It's not data types. It's just text. To take the JSON text format, pass it through to the Ollama server like I did, and then it's gonna take time. It's gonna read it very quickly, much faster than you
Okay,
could just read.
okay, so you do have the model, and then you have these data data points that are out there that it will ingest when you prompt it, right? So instead of training all the time, you have a model out there. Like, oh, hey, I had this conversation about something
Here it
about
is. Tell
XYZ.
me about it.
Then
Or
the model,
yeah,
yeah, okay. Then the model will go to your data set that you have out there to kind of
the
investigate.
model
You
doesn't do
pump it also.
manual labor. Your code will
Your
go to that
process,
data
your
set.
process, yeah, okay, that's fine. Your process goes out,
Yeah.
gets the data set to your model.
Yes.
So, so it's not. I feel like okay.
Yeah, because otherwise you're gonna have to have
So
a
it's
nuclear
yeah. I
reactor just
feel
to
like
like
it's actually
process
not doing
everything
as
like
much
that.
as I thought it might have been doing.
It's the reasoning unit. It's like a logic
Yeah.
unit and what we consider to be a mathematical processor as far as a
Okay.
CPU. Now we have a software that not just calculates math, but can reason based on a pre-trained set of logic, I guess. So it's like a logical
Okay. So
unit.
the
If
model
we can
doesn't
build that on a
have.
CPU, it would be so cool. Sorry, go ahead.
So the model doesn't actually have any data references within it. It has endpoints that it goes to further deduce its logical reasoning, right? So there's
Right.
data out there, but that data is not actually in the model itself. Just the reasoning is in the model itself that
And
then some other process based on what the model actually deduces, okay, I need to go to XYZ. I don't have that information, but I know I had to go to XYZ. It
mhm,
goes to these XYZ data sets, gets that data,
right.
ingest the data, and then based on again it's deducing, okay, logically he asked me about this and this. Now I have the data, let me kind of go through it. Oh yeah, there's this and this, and then pipes it through
And
back
then
to
you
the user.
have advanced
Okay.
abilities with it. It's not just that. It's, hey, give me the average, simple enough. Give me the standard deviation of maybe it can do that. I'm not
Yeah,
too
yeah,
sure.
yeah.
So it
Okay.
can do
Yeah, yeah.
processes
With
that it knows from the training of like statistics, and you can do it for you just by passing a set of data to it. Be like, hey, give me a full rundown on the trends of this data, or find a specific piece of text, whatever. It'll do it much faster than people do it manually. And a logic unit. That'd be cool if it could be built to a processor eventually. It'd just be it would be not a computing processing unit. It will be LP, logical processing unit, which would basically be this AI that gets fed info from a program and then just reasons with the model that it's trained on. I guess they can run it now on like 98, Windows 98. If they've minusculed the running process of the models to basically run on old hardware too. It's pretty cool. The training is the bitch. The training is just having a warehouse of graphics cards next to a nuclear reactor. And if, yeah, you can definitely train that model on the whole chat. But not only are you going to make it thousands of gigabytes large from 4 gigabytes of logic to thousands of gigabytes of potentially chat history that's garbage, you know? Maybe it'll find like, I guess in a way it did learn from what Facebook was one case. Didn't they do something? OpenAI did something with Reddit, and then it started telling people to put glue on pizza, which was some sort of thread joke somewhere, and the AI unit couldn't figure it out, so they added it as a
oh no,
response.
there's this one thing. So there's churches using AI models for like revelation and stuff like that, or just training on the books, religious books. One of them, I mean, it does make sense. It like they were trying to
Of course, they
say that
laughed.
you can get baptized in Gatorade. Is that legitimate? And like, and it came out it came back with yeah you can, and
No
but you
shit.
have to read the context because what the person gave it is like there's no water around, there's no other liquid around, but we have Gatorade. Can we do that? And
Oh, it
yeah,
is a limitation.
right? Yes.
Well,
The
if
answer
you
is yes.
boil Gatorade and then catch the humidity, and you can still get water out of it,
but
like I
then but
guess.
then like but then you have to go like especially in any sort of religious context it's like is it really the water, is it really the Gatorade? It's the actual like ceremonial process that you're going through to begin with. So the water itself doesn't really. You're kind of missing the point anyway.
Yeah, okay. I guess the idea is that yes, you can indeed baptize yourself with Gatorade.
In Gatorade, yes.
Yeah, it's a legit strategy. New age kids are doing it.
But they ultimately like didn't like that the AI said that. So
Oh, I'm sure they don't, because I mean, hold on though. If that water is not like Pope certified, the stuff they do, then
it
how
depends
does
on the
that?
church. I'm sure Catholic wise, you probably need it to be like prayed over and have it as a holy water kind of thing.
Okay, that's fair enough.
I
That's
don't
an
know.
interesting idea, but stranded on an island with a bottle of Gatorade. Can you be blessed? Yes, sir. Yeah, it's weird. Well, no, that data set comes from something like maybe not Reddit, but maybe Reddit. But that's like just
Where's
it's yeah.
what's the CLI command for Ollama that you had? I can't seem to like trigger it
I
because I have
think
it
you have
downloaded now.
to
Oh no,
yeah,
no, I got it, got it, got it. I
you
got it.
either have to start a new terminal or you have to reset, but I
Yeah,
think you did.
that's what it was. Yeah.
Because it's environmental variable refresh.
Okay.
Do. So you go pull. So Ollama I mean I like Mistral, but if you got your model of choice, Mistral latest is the logical unit for instructional sets, which
Hmm.
has fine conversation. It may not be as creative as some chat GPT stuff, but when I ask it to give me instructions, especially code, lately I feel like there've been an update that I wasn't updated on mentally or informed on. But it feels like a lot of the code is actually coming out much smoother. Like if and a lot of the Qt stuff that I'm doing here, I'm asking it. Sometimes it's giving me some weird stuff. So like, no, it's too much. Let me just go Google this real quick. But a lot of the code I can copy and paste now. Before it wasn't like that. I couldn't copy and paste code and it would work flawlessly. I had to change things here, adjustments to make. So now it seems to be a little bit. I'm wondering, as they are holding repositories of AI, if they are
Are they
updating
what?
those models consecutive, uh, of the models, they're
Yeah, yeah.
Ollama's holding repositories of models. If they are updating those models, because what would Mistral colon latest mean if not some sort of
Okay. So I'm sharing what I see on the registry right now for Llama 3.3. It is by Meta. They even say it here.
okay,
Um,
or
but I'm
Llama, but
trying
not
to look.
I know Llama is,
Yeah, Llama. Um,
but it's not
you should
Ollama,
know similar to npm, right? So Angular over
right?
here. Let's search Angular. This is npm is just same as Ollama. You have a registry that's out there. You have
Right.
the downloads, but you have over here the versions, right? So you should know what version you are and all the versions that are available out there.
So let
When you
me
go to
check Mistral.
install Angular, when you go to install Angular, or you pull it from here from the registry, you're installing a version. I'm trying to figure out right now, looking at them, Ollama run or Ollama run llama
Yeah,
3.3.
yeah.
I
Oh,
don't
llama,
see
run, llama. It's like a rap happen.
I don't see a oh it says updated 3 weeks ago. See, I think there's a problem. It's not
Oh,
this is updated 3 weeks ago, but if I wanted to if I wanted to pull the previous llama um version, where is it? I don't see it here. At least I don't see it. Yeah, I don't see it here. Um,
right. I mean, I'm gonna look in Mistral because that's my kind of uh forte.
I have a feeling. No, yeah, I don't know. Updated to version. Yeah, I think the. Here's versions. Versions here.
Where's Mistral latest? Is that like not as the latest has to be whatever, I guess Mistral 7B might.
Yeah. So this looks like a mess. Registry wise, this looks like a mess because I see llama when I search for llama, I see llama 3.1, 3.2.3.3. It's not all together.
Yeah,
You're
it's not
kind
under the
of
same.
chasing it. Yeah, you're chasing it. Like,
Which is
what's the
okay. I
latest
mean,
version?
if you
I,
just
I
put
don't
in
like that.
Mistral, yeah, I know it's not because it's not infinite. There's only so many models you can work with currently. Maybe they'll update it when
Well,
there's like a huger, bigger registry like Angular because you got so
Well,
many
here's the
packages.
thing. Some bad actor, let's say I go out here, I'm like, I'm going to publish a registry, Llama 3.4. I'm a bad actor. I have a bad model out there. You now download Ollama 3.4, you update it, you're fucked. That's the problem with like a lot of these registry things. You have to be very careful what you're downloading. And it doesn't look like Ollama is like having a veracity of like, hey, this is the Ollama from Meta. Download from here. You kind of it's not very obvious on what you're downloading, and that can be really bad.
I mean, if that AI goes sentient, Yeah, it can be very bad.
No, no, it's not even that. It's like a bad actor can really like screw other people over here.
A bad actor within? Question mark.
Well, this is public, right? So I can go ahead right now, make Llama 3.4, have something that's a little bit malicious that you're gonna now pull into your code base, right?
I don't know. I can't be too sure.
And there's also no review or stars here, so and I understand like we're still kind of at the beginnings of AI
Yeah,
models.
yeah.
I understand why it's like this. There's only like so much you can like get stuff up and running, but this is a problem right away here with how they have their registry set up. I mean,
I feel like
people still download bad packages on npm, and npm does like a really good job on like you have Angular. How many people are actually downloading this? That's kind of your first like hint of
but you're
what
not
package you
putting
might
in
be doing.
malicious code into an AI. Maybe you're gonna teach it to be evil with no guarantee that it's gonna end up being evil. But then I feel like the packages that I would
Uh,
do Mistral by itself is just gonna give me the official Mistral. Then if you do Mistral something else after it, then you have to be super specific about anything outside of the official packages. That's what I'm thinking. So like the default naming conventions
okay.
are gonna be the
Uh,
main
Again,
ones.
I'm not used to what the models actually
Yeah.
have, but if it's like a package, let's say I do Llama
Oh,
3.4, and
oh,
I
oh,
just
oh, shut
okay,
up,
so
shut up.
that's what
Go to
I'm looking
Mistral.
for.
Shut
So
up.
that's
Go to Mistral. Go to Mistral again. Go to Mistral.
wait. Let me go to
Type in Mistral.
there's
Go to Mistral.
Llama.
Found the
Okay,
freaking versions for you.
Llama.
Found the versions.
So you have Mistral Small, Mistral Large, Mistral
No, no,
Nemo,
no. Go
Mistral
to
Light,
first one. First one. Click Mistral.
Mixtral. Okay,
Mistral.
so Mistral
Now
is
go to
doing
7B. Nope. Stop scrolling down. Go back up. 7B on the top left. Now go to more. Aha.
okay.
I don't see.
So
That's
that's
what
good
I'm
for
thinking. Yeah. So it might be based on specific ones, and I feel like those are the custom ones that have the weird annotations at
latest.
the end. Um,
No, okay, this looks better. No,
a little bit better.
no, I didn't see this
For
isn't very obvious here. But
for
they
llama,
have the
yeah, it
polls up here
wasn't
too.
right. Does llama have that too? Let me check.
They
Llama.
do. They sort of do.
Llama 3.3,
No, no, don't. They don't. I
7B,
think that's
view all.
why I was so. They
Yeah,
kind
yeah.
of don't on
Well,
here.
they don't have a lot of them.
No, no, and that's why I'm saying no. This is just Llama 3.3 updated 3 weeks ago, right? But that's all you see here. Keep scrolling down.
All of
This is
them are
just Llama
3 weeks.
3.3. Yeah,
That's
this is
good.
just Llama 3.3.
That is
And
interesting.
this is probably what threw me off a lot
That is very foreign. Fair.
because Llama is kind of everywhere.
Uh-huh.
Can I? Yeah,
Yeah,
let me
this
just
one's like
search
5 months, 12 months, 5 months, 9 months. Mistral at
Llama
least. But
Vision.
Mistral's been out for
You see, Llama 3.2 is kind of its own thing out here.
how long is how long has Mistral been out for? Let me see.
This is my first time hearing about Mistral.
How long has Mistral been out for? I mean, it's basically just an updated version of Facebook's API. Wow. They put it to
It's a
be
branch,
instructions.
probably.
No,
I
not
would think it's a
Mistral.
branch of.
What
Is
is
Mistral not a branch of Llama?
what is the Mistral model in AI? Is it a branch from another one? Oh, working on it.
Yep, they're different.
Oh my God. Ah, it's a branch. Okay, it's a branch. How
Really?
long is
My chat GPT says it's not. They're independent.
oh no you quiet down. I know that. Is Mistral where is the source training data set for Mistral AI with ML models?
Okay, I'm gonna take a leak and then let's go over some of the stuff I'm doing or trying to
Okay.
get back into.
Fair enough.
Right back.
All right. Dude, thank you. Um, I'm not doing the thing. Oh, oh boy. Mm.
Part two. I was in part two. Um, so I was downloading. I'm installing the Ollama CLI stuff because okay. So I guess for my use case for my web app for Ollama would be to create models based off of each studio's like chat, each studio's data essentially. So their chats, how much revenue is coming in for them, their stores, stuff like that. So they would have a model for each studio, each of your studios, and then you have a chat bot that you can chat and gather information from it seamlessly from your studio, almost like your your personal assistant. I guess so. So like so like let's say I have chat. Let's say I have a studio. I've been live streaming for like a year or so, and I have so many chats that went on for so long, and I would like somebody about, um, let's say these really cool socks that we were talking about, something like that. Ollama then spits back out, hey, yeah, you had this conversation about this, and here you go, right? And then even tell you links, something like that, something that can like aggregate all the data and have a conversation about your data that's in this app, because this app has, again, yeah, 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 so I guess would so the chat data is in like documents in Firebase, right? That's where the source of truth data is in. Does the model need to continuously retrain itself with that data, or is that model reaching out to that data and then spitting it back out to you? Yeah, right. No, 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 nothing to do with Angular. This data, this chat data, this year's worth of chat data is in a database somewhere. Right now, right now nothing. Let's say it's in there. It's somewhere in a database somewhere. How? Okay. Okay. So what does so what would the model do for me? Can let's say I can
All right, I'm back.
just listening to my awful voice on the video recording. I can't hear you. I can barely hear you on the recording. So need to figure that
Um,
out.
okay. Potentially increase the volume on Discord.
So does the model need to recompile every time we feed it does it need to recompile every time new chat information is out there? So let's say, mhm. Yeah, okay. Yeah. I wonder if there's something I fix in like video, post video.
So
Essentially, I'd have some
be affecting
processing
the whole
on
audio.
there that runs, let's say, I want to do
Yeah,
as little
like that.
video
And then all
processing
the
as possible.
all
Just
the studio
crop, post it somewhere. Crop, post it somewhere. Because
the
I'm never
setup
got
has
time
to
for
be
that.
ideal. Yeah, the
Well,
setup will have to
I'm just
be.
trying to think about the architecture of how like I can hear you, but you're so much lower
Right.
in the recording for some reason. And I think it's because
That's what
the
you would
game
want
bar is hearing my microphone, and it's sort of hearing my.
essentially with this AI in the studio
Okay,
to
so
know your data
I would have to have you on open
on hand
speaker. Is
all the
probably
time.
what it has to happen.
So you need to maybe, or
Cause
just use OBS to
something
do
that's
it.
really
It'll
cool
grab
for
the
me is
audio, or it'll grab whatever inputs you want it to, really.
continuously retraining itself with the new information from your studio.
Meow.
Okay, yeah, let me try OBS. Does OBS do screen recording and
Yeah,
spits out a video?
yeah. It does recording, streaming.
Is
It can even act as a
right as in
virtual webcam. So like instead of like streaming your face, you can stream your desktop on the webcam
but
slot.
it spits out a VOD as well
An
after the stream.
image. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can not the stream. You'd have to record instead of stream. I think you can do both at the same time though. Yeah, I
Yeah,
can do both.
that's what I would want.
You can do both streaming and recording. Hey, what's up?
Let me
Kitty
see.
cat.
Kitty cat. You have a cat?
Oh, cat.
Yeah, cat.
Save a shadow.
It's blurred. Oh, there it goes.
Oak.
It was my first. That was my first IGN was Shadow.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's a cool name, man.
Oh, here we go. Controls. There's start streaming, start recording. The fuck? Okay, I'm recording, but where am I recording? It just started recording.
It'll record, and when you're done, it'll put it in your videos folder.
Videos. But what? What? They didn't prompt me for any screen or anything.
Oh, because your setup is going to be based on the bottom left two spaces. Scenes are different types of setups you have. And then in the sources is where you add in displays, windows, whatever you want to share. You don't have to share everything. And you can set up multiple like sources, like a display, like an actual display monitor, and then another. Do you want me to show you mine? Yeah,
Hold
there
up,
you
I am learning. Display capture, add existing.
go.
Yeah, I get you.
Yeah, after you do,
Let
you can
me.
name it. That X
Okay,
display
add
to grab monitor.
browser, window capture. I just want to capture the entire desktop.
Then the display, add,
Display,
okay.
add.
No, no, don't just, okay. No, go to create again because you don't have any. Once you create it, it'll be in your ad list. So create, then okay. Okay.
Okay, name it here.
Oh, name
It's
it, yeah.
desktop
Name it.
one.
Sure.
Fuck you. It says the scene is desktop one. Let's
Oh, yeah.
say
Main or something. Main display or
off
whatever.
screen. Oh, I guess this is recording my main screen. Yeah, main screen.
hmm And now here you choose from automatic. Click on automatic, and it'll show you the displays you have available. And once you're done, click
Have it done.
OK, and then readjust the sizing to fit the right. Oh, yeah, probably.
Well, yeah, I want it off screen now. Wait, no, I want, fuck. No, I would want to record what? Edit, edit. Properties? I'm so confused. Okay, because right now I want to record Discord because Discord shows both of us. It shows our screens that we're also streaming at the same time, right?
Mhm. And now resize it with the red outline. The slashes on the right is just the window outside of your record screen area. So resize smaller and then move it. Click and drag to move. Resize smaller. You want to basically fit, yeah, you want to fit the red side of the screen window, the scene window, I guess you call it.
Oh, okay, like just give
Yeah.
me vertigo a little bit.
Yeah.
What is it trying to tell me? I'm like, what?
And then you can put different layers, like Photoshop, different layers of things. A green background that you can take apart. You have filters. You could do chroma, which is basically taking greens and making them transparent. Um, it's a lot of flexibility with it. It's basically like being your own CNN media broadcasting editor. Your camera is stuttering a little bit now on Discord. You see it?
Nope, it's fine for me.
Okay, so I see it from my side. Must be something. The stream broadcast.
Um, main. Let me edit this again. Discord screen, I guess.
What? The kitty cat. There's the kitty cat. Oh, he's blurred. Why is he so blurred?
Yeah, it's blurred.
Why are you blurring my cat? Don't blur my cat. No, I'm doing it. It's just me. It's for sure me. Why am I being weird? Glitching. Glitching.
Oh, there it goes. Rename. Just call it Discord screen right now. Okay.
I guess because he's not moving very much. And it's blurring him as a piece of background.
So this screen is recording the Discord screen, and Discord is going to live stream my main stream.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then here you can press record. Now
Um,
to record that scene. You can swap. If you go to studio mode, you have the ability to switch between scenes if you have different arrangements. So maybe one scene is your desktop, another scene is your Discord. And then you can kind of like transition with fade in and fade outs and stuff like that. But that's studio mode in the bottom right underneath recording. You enter into a dual screen process. Ew, Windows 11. Why is it in the center? So gross.
I actually don't like how this icon isn't in the center. If this was in the center, that'd be great because this comes up in the center.
Yeah, let's see. Yeah, like yeah,
that
sort of
that's
just
that's what I don't like. Let's come over here.
they just try to
Okay,
make it
so
cool and hip and happening.
I start recording.
Right,
It's
Shadow.
recording that Discord screen. You give it a little bit. You talk so I can hear your audio.
Oh, la 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 la. You should be able to modify the audio too. It's already maxed out though. I'm coming through the desktop audio, which is
Oh,
pretty
one of
loud
my
right now.
hairs.
I mean, as long as it's not going
What's
to
up?
Reddit, it should be fine. It seems to be pretty loud from this case because it's picking up your desktop audio generally instead of your microphone like last time. Yeah. Shapey face. Shapey face. Oh man, I'm a sleepy face too.
That's funny.
Yeah, my stream's not flickering, but my actual desktop is not flickering anymore either. Never mind. Oh no, it is. Oh, hmm, what? Let's see here.
Preview Nightfall program. Oh wait. Oh, you're selling. You're streaming OBS.
Mm-hmm.
You're showing me OBS.
I'm yeah, the same thing you're doing with the Discord.
Oh, it's cheaper now. It's $6. Used to be 10.
Oh, is that a discount?
Oh look,
Yeah,
it's
it's a
cheaper.
discount.
Okay, yeah. Please count. This is a gift.
Wherever you go, it tracks you. You cannot escape, Big Brother.
Let me
KGB
stop
Big Brother.
recording.
Uh, I'm gonna show you what studio looks like. Oh man. Oh, you change yours. This is
Give
what
me a
studio mode looks
second.
like. Uh, no, that's not it. What did I just shoot? What? OBS Studio. Oh, it's sharing the actual window? It's the screen window instead of the whole OBS. That's weird. That way. That's not. Yeah. So your right screen would be your live, and then your left screen would be your transition. So I can transition from one to the other. The button here. It's pretty spiffy. Good to have different setups.
I'm trying to continue to payment, but it's not going. Whoops. What the fuck? So OBS should have users public videos. Public videos. Should I thrown it there? No, I have no idea where OBS is saving this shit.
It's in your videos folder after you stop recording. Should be like in the root directory. Or
Was it
maybe
there?
I could probably go to settings to figure out. Or maybe I moved it to videos. Maybe it's in documents. Honestly, a lot of stuff for some reason saves in documents, even though they're not documents. But I guess to each their own. To each their own and
Nope,
what they
not in
consider it.
documents. Public downloads. That's a little weird. Let me see.
Go to the OBS settings and see where the default. Go to.
It might be in here. That it?
Discord.
That's funny.
Why are you blurring my cat? I changed
Okay,
the
I think
level
I
of
got it. Quality sucks. At least it's worse than Game Bar.
the quality of OBS stream.
Yeah. Is
Hmm.
there?
There are settings where you can change resolutions and stuff. I don't know what if the
Yeah.
defaults are set automatically.
Let me see. Where's Steam go? It, for whatever reason, it's not letting me check out. Continue to gift options. Oh, select gift recipient. Crisis 0, correct?
Sessions. I'm sure because I have two accounts, but pretty sure you only have one. Yeah, Crisis Zero with the white image. My logo.
Oh, it doesn't have my payment saved.
You are not a true
Where's my wallet?
Steam junkie, sir.
No.
You
I hope I can play it on my Steam Deck too.
should be able to. I'm not sure how you
I
would
never
stream
know.
that.
No. I mean, I hope I can play Lockdown on my Steam Deck.
Oh, okay. Should be able to. It's not a basic game.
Some weird games don't work at all, actually.
Uh, maybe it has to do with the control adjustments.
Alright, I wanted to look at video real quick. Base canvas resolution, that's probably why. Give me that 4K. I need that 4K. Play. Oh, yeah, that had to be it there. That's why it looked so weird at the beginning too. Oh, now I'm kind of OBSing my payment method I'm about to put in.
Uh, oh, it's not being shared or streamed.
Yeah, but I'm not. Yeah, like, I
I
think
hope.
that's the scariest part overall
Being live, yeah.
is being live and you're inputting a password or you're putting in payment information or some shit.
That's why I always like
There's another
dedicate
there's
one
another
screen.
Vision AI product.
What, to blur certain things that pop up that might be sensitive?
Either blur it or alert the user, what the fuck are you doing? Or um
That's fair. Ugh. That'd have to be attached to Discord or whatever streaming service.
you know, it would be great for like YouTube Live or stuff on their end where they don't want stuff to be streaming live, but they have no control over it per se. They just automatically blurs. Honestly, if you ever watch Ghost in Shell,
Mm-hmm.
Standalone, The Laughing Man,
Mm-mm. I
oh
didn't
man, so
watch it
good.
that much. Yeah,
Um,
yeah.
uh, but certain videos will be hijacked, and whoever's doing whoever's doing a crime or something, they automatically get blurred out, and they were trying to track these guys down, but for whatever reason, the video gets hijacked, and then it automatically starts like um, hovering people's identities up.
Uh-huh.
That's exactly like what you would want, essentially, something that intercepts the stream and just puts something in front of it or something.
Yeah, yeah. It'd be similar in concept because all streams are just frames being sent. So you take a frame, throw it through the image to text, and then if it identifies something, the program will do it based on the programming. Because the model itself, again, doesn't do any of the actions. That's why the Python level, I actually didn't want to just do Python for GUI, but because Python I can connect it to my computer, so I can also let it search my directories with Python programming if I just create the methods for it to do so. And then I can have it as a co-pilot to the application. And then I can teach it commands in the setup that the program is looking for in the responses. And when the program catches the command, it'll do the thing as if I've made the command on like a terminal. You know? So once it knows what commands it has, it'll be like, oh, you want to know where your file is? Okay. And then it says CD directory, and it comes back, shows a directory, and then it goes through a loop with Python itself until it finds it and then it responds. That's the idea, at least. Efficiency will be questioned. Hey, did somebody just give me something? Wait, where'd it go? Just alright.
This worked out because it was a 24-hour sale. It's pretty much half the price too.
Good timing, good timing. There you go. Oh, a friend gave me gifts. Oh, thanks,
You get a little
friend.
Steam card.
Huh? The little Steam card?
You get one.
Like an actual card?
Yeah, they have little achievements and stuff.
Okay, are you talking about like payment card?
No, I don't know. They have some weird like card system that's kind of related to achievements.
Oh, yeah. No, I don't fall into battle passes and I don't fall into more cards too. Unless it's someone using it for gas or something. Working on my
Hey, we're
credit.
breaking up because I'm downloading it, and I guess it's downloading it really fast.
Are we gonna play this right now?
Well,
Let's
go
see.
ahead and download it. Yeah,
Okay, we can play a game.
so I'm kind of just messing around with OBS. Um, cause okay, yeah. So last thing I left off on was right the resolution. Okay, so let me start recording again. Just so your audio came over fine. Um,
Okay.
just need to confirm the resolution because the resolution was a problem there. It makes
The
sense because it
setting.
was like
Was it a low one? Like 1280 or something?
yeah, it was at 1080p and these are 4K screens.
Oh, well, there you go.
And I think I would definitely want it as 4K as well. Okay, let me stop recording. Okay, so on the bottom left, it tells me where it does get saved to. Oh, I saved it as an MKV this time for whatever the fuck reason.
Yeah.
Sometimes MKVs are hard to play, but I have VLC on.
Streams for sure don't get as much attention. If you wanted to do anything particular, it's the video uploads, man. They get the
Um,
both.
yeah, so I guess so. What I'm thinking right now is like stream every Saturday, maybe for a couple hours, and then you just can do a ton of VODs just based on 2 hours. Just crop, upload
Yeah,
little bits of stuff. That's it. I want the biggest bang for my buck, essentially, and that's what I'm thinking right now.
go with. I mean, I don't know what editor you want to use. I use OpenShot. It's pretty decent, open
For what?
source for editing, cropping,
Oh, we have
cutting.
yeah, we have Adobe. We have
Okay,
entire Adobe suite because Ruby
okay.
draws and stuff, and
Oh,
she
that's
always
true.
wants to use the other stuff, which we don't use, but
So now
we're,
you have
we're
a
still
reason
paying
to
full
use
price for it.
what's that? What's that one for editing?
I used to use Sony
Adobe.
Vegas. Sony Vegas. I used to pirate for Sony Vegas and use that.
Is Vegas for editing?
Yeah, it was. Yeah, yeah. I made my Maple Story videos on that.
Oh, fair.
When I was 13.
Is there another one? Like, wow, it wasn't good.
I
After
mean,
Effects,
Apple's.
no.
Yeah,
After
yeah.
Effects.
But oh no, no. Was it? What does Apple have? What's Apple's thing? Whatever their thing
Movies,
is, they have
Movie
one too.
Maker or whatever, iMovie. Uh,
Um. So yeah, Windows. No, Windows is Movie Maker. Windows
yeah,
has a
it's true.
built-in one now.
Have they always? Because I
But again,
remember it was in, but then it was gone.
no, no,
I don't have it.
no. I don't remember it going away. See, please, Movie Maker. Movie. I don't see it. Let's show.
Yeah, right. Ah, Premiere. Adobe Premiere is the one.
Yeah, I should have it.
Vegas probably like a simpler version, maybe.
Okay. Did you download it?
I have. Let me close things.
Screens. Okay, let's give gaming a test run. So I want to share the Discord screen. Okay, so that's live. Wait, do I want to share this Discord screen? No, I don't want to. Fuck, see, it's very confusing. I want to share my main screen. Okay, so there's that there. We're there. And then OBS is going to record the Discord screen. And I just exited OBS. Fuck my life. Okay.
Oh yeah. But like how to so you're gonna stream on Discord and then record it on Discord. So you're gonna focus in on your own window then. You're streaming. Is that what you're gonna do?
So I can switch between both of us, right? So we can look at your screen or my screen as we game or code or whatever.
Yeah, I guess yeah, we both have that control. So then I should do the same. Take my Discord, start the game.
Oh, so
Obvious.
fuck. Do I need a third screen just so? Cause I can start recording now, right? And then I have to dismiss OBS. So OBS right now is recording the Discord screen, which you're on, I'm on, and then I'm about to launch Lockdown Protocol. Better
Um,
performance, but can be unstable. Let me just not.
yeah, not in this case scenario. um,
Yeah, I need stability right now.
I need stability in my life. Alright, that's fair enough.
Very great.
I guess that works.
Press
It's
Q
not.
to open your tablet. Oh, hello, tutorial. Tablet is not available during tutorial. You can leave with the button below, but is that spelled incorrectly? We recommend you go through the tutorial to learn the basics of the game. I'm not sure if this is misspelled intentionally here.
Sometimes you can't
Recommend.
stop. I'm going.
Quit the
Loading.
tutorial, restart. Tablets are.
I'm loading. I'm loading. Black screen loading.
What?
Oh, my Discord. Why you stop working? What?
I
Hello,
feel I
Discord.
feel like they are messing with my mind right now. Welcome to the tutorial.
Oh, double screen getting in the way. Gets done to the single screen. Why do I hear footsteps? I'm not even in a game. It's loading. Hmm.
Because I'm in the game and you're hearing my stream, right?
Oh God. I don't like this method. We're gonna have two game sounds running. I guess I have to mute you. Mute your screen
Yeah,
share.
you lower me to like 10% or something.
Well, at least the screen. Oh my God, this is really hanging real hot right now.
Okay.
Why? Why is it so laggy? This game's not even
Oh,
that
okay.
heavy.
Pick up an item with left click and. Ah, okay. This engine feels familiar.
Discord is taking
Mars engine?
91% of my GPU. This is a bad idea. OBS is taking the other little bit. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna do this method. Just being on Discord streaming,
Get 32
watching
more
people
gigs of
stream.
RAM.
No, this is the GPU
You were fine
process.
just now.
Yeah, but now I'm running the game, and the game is competing for OBS and Discord at the same
Mm.
time. Wow. My game is not even loaded yet. Okay, no, it's there, but it's doing the frames. Oh, the frames. Oh, I
Maybe
see
same
it.
issue. Maybe same issue I was having again, Shin.
I have a 3080. What's the deal on that?
Full video card or laptop?
Laptop.
Why? Probably, it's probably a 2060, but that should still be enough.
What do you mean?
What's this? Usually laptop
3080
video
is-
cards are technically like last gen. It's usually a gen below.
Even though it's a 3080, it's going to be a 2060.
Because they throttle the card, yeah.
Well, they have to reduce it to like 150 watts or whatever, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Left click to use the items in your hand. Oh,
Oh,
that's me. Yeah, just
well,
don't stream. Oh boy.
stop watching is
I
what I'm.
think. Gonna stop watching me? Okay.
Well, that's kind of what's, I think, killing me right now is the
Alright,
process.
give it a try.
I mean, I'm trying to click it,
Use
but
left click while inspecting. Press. Use left click while inspecting to place items into corresponding slots. Oh, okay.
oh, it did something.
It's a good tutorial. Press E to swap your hand and bags items. You can only carry one item in your bag. Oh, where's my
Okay,
bag?
I'm not even gonna have to be able to stream my own.
Oh.
No,
Some larger items cannot fit in storing your bag. Okay.
it's not gonna work.
Hold shift to sprint and move faster while consuming stamina.
Oh my God, it feels like I'm back in Windows XP days. Holy crap.
Oh, that's bad. Okay. going to die at this rate. I died in tutorial. Come on.
You can do that. Oh, I'm gaining control again? Maybe? Yeah, kind of. Uh, uh, come on. I guess I kind of have to. This is not efficient.